Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It involves a range of measures and techniques designed to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information in the digital realm. Here are some key aspects of cybersecurity. Confidentiality. This aspect focuses on preventing unauthorized access to sensitive information. It involves implementing measures such as encryption, access controls, and secure authentication to protect data from being accessed by unauthorized individuals. Integrity. Integrity ensures that data remains unaltered and trustworthy throughout its lifecycle. This is achieved by implementing mechanisms to detect and prevent unauthorized modifications or tampering. Techniques like data hashing, digital signatures, and integrity checks help maintain data integrity. Availability. Ensuring availability means that systems and data are accessible and usable when needed. Cybersecurity measures aim to protect against service disruptions, such as distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks, which can overwhelm systems and make them inaccessible to legitimate users. Authentication. Authentication verifies the identity of individuals or systems attempting to access resources. Strong authentication methods, such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, or biometric authentication, are used to prevent unauthorized access by ensuring that only authorized entities can gain entry. Authorization. Authorization controls what actions or resources a user or system is allowed to access. It involves assigning appropriate access levels, permissions, and privileges to ensure that individuals can only access the information and resources they are authorized to use. Network security. Network security focuses on protecting the communication channels and infrastructure connecting computers and devices. Firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDPs, virtual private networks, VPNs, and secure Wi-Fi protocols are examples of network security measures. Application security. Application security aims to secure software and applications from vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. This involves secure coding practices, regular patching, and robust testing to identify and mitigate potential security flaws. Incident response. Incident response is the process of preparing for, detecting, and responding to cybersecurity incidents. Organizations establish incident response plans to minimize the impact of security breaches, restore services, and investigate the cause of the incident. Security auditing and testing. Regular security audits and testing are conducted to assess the effectiveness of cybersecurity measures and identify vulnerabilities or weaknesses. This includes penetration testing, vulnerability scanning, and code reviews to proactively identify and address potential security risks. Security awareness and training. Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility, and educating employees and users about best practices is crucial. Security awareness programs and training sessions help individuals understand the importance of cybersecurity, recognize potential threats, and adopt safe online behaviors. Overall, cybersecurity is a multidimensional field that involves a combination of technical, procedural, and human factors to protect digital assets and information from unauthorized access, use, or harm. Its primary goal is to maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data and systems in an increasingly interconnected and digital world.